What was the other thing I was going to say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators, the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I have created to document all of our renovations in our carriage house and our big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. We're in the middle of this short series on how we installed our shower, and today I want to talk about installing the backer board. All right, so I have looked at a gazillion YouTube videos about shower installations, and there's a couple of observations that I've made from these shower videos that I've watched. And one is the vast majority of them are about what went wrong with the previous shower or bathroom and how the new installer is going to fix everything. And so, let's say I've watched 100 videos, probably 90 of those were showers that were installed by professional installers. And even so, there were problems. So I say all this just so you know, installing a shower is hard, and it's hard because of water. Water that can get everywhere and anywhere, and you have to be super, super careful. So one of the things that you can do to help make sure that your shower is not going to leak is to choose the right substrate that you're going to attach your tile to. And we looked at a bunch of different options and again saw a bunch of videos about it and settled on HardieBacker waterproof backer board that is supposed to be 100% waterproof. We'll see years later whether it is or not, but that's what I wanted to show you, how we use that product, how we installed the backer board, and some hints for you going forward. And so my big hint on this video is just remember that a shower wants to leak, so be super careful. If you would take just a moment and hit the subscribe button, really appreciate it. It works with our YouTube analytics, and just it's nice to know that somebody cares. So hit subscribe and we would really appreciate it.
So here's what happens if you put the screw too close to the corner. It cracks out the end like that. So you have to stay back. You can use these wide strip here as a gauge for where you can screw, but stay away from the corner.